Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Southern with Charm. I went shopping at 2 Goodwill locations in downtown Atlanta about a week ago, and I want to share with you everything that I found. I found so much cute stuff. I was pretty excited about it. For starters, this shirt that I'm wearing, it's from Gap, and I got it for $5.99. It's a small. It is super soft and super comfy, and I just love it. My full-time job, I have to wear business casual attire to work, so I feel like 90% of my closet is work clothes, and when I go shopping, I tend to buy those clothes instead of comfy evening or weekend clothes, so I was really shopping for that type of item in particular. Another shirt that I got that is Gap, and it's a small, comfortable, great for the fall weather right now with the 3/4 length shirt. I think I just said that's Gap. I got this one for $2.99 because I went on a separate day and it was the special yellow tag that was 50% off that day. I got this really, really comfortable hoodie, and it's Mark Anthony, New York. It is a small, and I also got it for $2.99 on that separate occasion. And everything else I got for $5.99. This American Eagle shirt still had the tags on it. I love the colors in it. I think it's going to be a really cute piece with some jeans. It is an extra small. Another gray shirt. Gray is like my go-to color these days. This is also Gap, and it is also a small, and I just love how like super soft and comfy these shirts feel. It's going to be perfect to dress for the weekends. This gray, again, is from Loft, and it is a small, and it really fit pretty comfortably. But when I washed it, I felt like it kind of shrunk up a little bit, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it just because it has this kind of like weird fit on the sides, but it's still a super cute, comfy weekend shirt for me. I did get a couple of tank tops. Here in South Georgia, it's like hot through probably the end of October, so I didn't worry about spending my money on a few more summer items, even though fall is almost here. This is small. This is from Gap. Almost matches the one that I have on right now. This is Old Navy. I think everything that I got was either a small or an extra small. I thought this would be super cute with some skinny jeans and knee-high boots. Brown or black. I'm really excited to wear this one. I just love how comfy these shirts feel. This is Banana Republic. Trying to add a little bit of color to my closet. This will just be another weekend comfy shirt that I can wear around the house. Probably not until next year because it is getting a little bit cold here, but still really nice, cute shirt. This is also from Gap, and it is a small. I want to say that I think I might have actually got this one on the trip that I got the other two for $2.99, but I can't remember. I feel like I got more than two that day. but this is also another really soft one. I don't know if you've noticed the striped theme going on here. This is actually an extra small, and it's Banana Republic. If you follow me on Instagram, I shared a picture of me wearing this shirt. It is like a really low cut in the front. It's kind of hard to see right now, but I had to wear a white cami underneath it. And I actually got this to wear to work with some black pants. We're also allowed to wear jeans on Fridays, so I wore it with jeans that day. I mean, it would still be a cute shirt to wear around the house or even out somewhere on the weekend. And even though I said that I was shopping for casual clothes, I ran across this and I went ahead and bought it. Super, super cute. This is actually from Express, and it has the V-neck front, and then it has the zipper that zips up on the side, so it makes it a really fitted, cute shirt that I think would look great with jeans, but I've been wearing it with black pants to work. Also, I shared a picture of this on my Instagram if you follow me. And lastly, I think this was the Limited, and it's got this turtleneck to it, and it's kind of fitted in the top, but it can be worn with jeans, or I think I could probably wear it with some black pants or even maybe some tan pants, I'm not sure, to work. But it's super soft, super comfy. I think that it's a small as well. So in total, I got 12 items. I need to actually go back and look and see how much I paid the total price for everything, but I think that this was a great clothing haul for my good comfy clothes to wear on the weekends or in the evenings, or just to have around the house. And every single item was name brand, and it was less than $6, which is a great deal in my opinion. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I will definitely be doing some more Goodwill hauls with you soon, because I do plan to go back and also check out some other thrift stores that they have in Atlanta. So whenever I get ready to share that video, I will probably post about it on Instagram or share one of the items that I'm wearing. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, and I would love for you to subscribe.